study. I study in 4th standard. I am 10 years old. Today we are going to do an experiment. The name of my experiment is bubble into bubble. To do this experiment, we need some things. So that are a glass of water. In that put some of the water. Then, as we all know, our mother uses dish soap to wash utensils. So we have to take that, some sugar, a tablespoon and a straw. So now let's do that experiment. Now we are going to mix it up. So take 1 tablespoon sugar, tablespoon dish soap. Now I have mixed the formula of that. So now we will take 2 to 3 tablespoons of that liquid and we have to mix it. I have already mixed it. So now we have to just spread it. Now we will take straw and from any bubble we will try to make some bubble. So here is one bubble. Then I will take some of the bubble inside. And that is experiment. We can make more bubbles, but to show you all, I am making some. So by mixing some bubbles like this and doing like this, we can make so much mixed bubbles and we can make so many shapes.